Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing what matters. Copy visible files to an external drive or cloud now, because further steps can overwrite data. Once done, make sure the device has at least 20% battery and that you know the exact model and OS version. This avoids wrong software. Connect with a tested USB cable and enable USB debugging or boot into recovery mode. These first actions let you run diagnostics or image the storage safely without guesswork. You now diagnose the corruption. Run the device's storage diagnostic or capture logs to see file system errors or bad blocks, because knowing the error guides the fix. Once you have data, use a PC, run chkdsk/f for Windows formatted volumes or FSCK. X4 for Linux partitions or the manufacturer's utility. These repair metadata and recover lost pointers. If the partition table is damaged, first image the raw storage, then safely recreate or repair partitions with fdisk or parted to restore access. You finish by recovering data from the disk image using tools like Photo Rec or Test Disk. These carve files when the file system is beyond repair, so work from the image to avoid further damage. Once recovered, reformat the drive with the correct file system and restore partitions or device firmware as needed, because a clean structure prevents repeat corruption. If errors continue or you see physical failure signs, stop and consult a professional data recovery service or replace the storage.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.